Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to apply border to background image in Elementor, right? As you can see, right now I'm creating a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we can create a section, and for creating a section we need to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, and here it is asking whether we want flex box or grid. You can select as per your requirement. Here I'm selecting the flex box, and in the structure I'm selecting the one direction column. Okay, so now we have successfully created a section, and we are going to edit this section. And for editing this section we need to click on the 6 dot icon just above the section, right? So we have clicked on that, and in the left side toolbar there are three settings: layout, style and advanced. And in the layout setting we can simply increase the height of this particular section. Okay, and now we are moving towards the style setting, and in the style setting we can simply add a background image. And for adding the background image, just simply select the normal in the background, and in the background type you can select the classic, and then in the image section you can simply click on choose image button, and simply you can add image using upload files or media library. If you have an image in your system, you can use the upload file option. Else, if you have already uploaded in the media library of your website, then you can simply select the image from the media library. So here I have simply I'm going to select this image from the media library because I have already uploaded. So I have simply clicked on that image and clicked on select button, right? So the image has been added, right? We can simply change the display size to the cover, and the position we can simply select custom, and in the Y position we can reduce it so that our image moves upward. Okay, done, right? Now we are going to add border to this background image, right? And for adding the background border to the background image, you need to scroll down in the style settings itself, and you need to go to the border section. And in the border section you will find whether you want to change the border for normal or hover. So right now I am just changing the border for normal image, right? And in the border type you can simply select whatever the border type you want, whether you want default, none, solid, double, dotted, dashed or grooved, right? So here I have selected dashed, dotted, right? And here in the border color I am going to select border color of bluish color. Okay, from the color palette I have selected the blue color, and now I'm going to increase the border width. Okay, so here you can simply see that we have added border type that is dotted, right? We can also change border type to groove, right, or dash, whatever we want, right? Okay, so you can also increase or decrease the border radius, right, to make this a curve. So in this way you can simply apply border to a background image in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.